Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Feeding
Feeding what?
the bird.
How are you? The bird's not eating it.
Him?
Look at, you got popcorn all over his face. And all over the couch.
And all over the floor.
Cheese.
Are you gonna pick all that up? Huh? Are you gonna pick all that up? Well, finish feeding him, at least. Is he eating them? Is he eating the popcorn?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you gonna vacuum all this up? Huh? Do you want to vacuum all this up?
No.
Well, then what am I gonna do with all this popcorn?
Nothing.
Just let it sit there?
Just sit there.
But the bird's not eating it.
He eats like that. He's gonna eat it like that.
I'm gonna kick your butt.
Don't.
Why not?
Because don't.
What do you say?